Good morning, YouTube. It's time to vlog again. So I have a really short week this week. I am working today like a regular day. It's Tuesday, and then I'm off Wednesday and Thursday, and then Friday so far I'm just working a half day. This is like, I always have a weird week right before school starts where it's really slow. So I think this is that week for me. I had a couple of people that had to cancel for like personal emergency reasons. I had somebody who had traveled that needs to self-isolate for 14 days. So it just worked out that, yeah, it's a short week. So I thought I'd vlog a little bit. I have some things that I need to unbox and put away that I thought I'd share with you guys. I also have something really weird going on with my skin. I thought we would document it together. So I started getting this like this is just a blemish. I started getting like a patch of texture here. I think you can see it from this angle. I'm trying to like get the light to hit it just so. So it started there, which I assumed was just like a maskne situation. It started around the time that I came back to work. My hair is so weird right now. I just took it out of like a really weird braid. I'm gonna still put it up in a ponytail before I start. And then I got a sunburn on my lips in July. I have tried literally everything. I'm just gonna sit while I talk to you guys for a second. I've tried literally everything. They're better than they were. They're like past that stage where they were like crusty and peeling, but they just don't feel right. Like my skin on my lips don't feel right at all. Like my lips themselves feel okay, but the skin like around feels really weird. And then, so then I have this texture here, and then I started getting all this texture. I know that you guys can see that. It's not a breakout. Like, this is not acne. I know acne, trust me. This is not it. So I have this whole patch of texture. There's a little bit over here, but this area is literally on fire on my face. So yesterday I was off. I didn't put any makeup on, and it actually got like worse throughout the day. So I was like, I'm just gonna put makeup on it because not putting makeup on it didn't friggin' help. So I just reached out to my doctor. I'm waiting to hear back to see, like, I don't know if I'm having a reaction to something or what is going on, but my skin is out of control. And like normally when I get like texture or like breakouts or something like that, I just go in, I do like my multi-fruit peel cleanser, or I do a little bit of like an acid exfoliation, and usually clears up within like a couple of days. And before this texture showed up a couple of days ago, I did do my multi-fruit peel cleanser, and I found that it really burned, and it doesn't normally. So I'm hesitant to do any exfoliating right now because I just don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna grab, I already took home my Bioelements emergency soothing powder. You can make a mask out of that. You just mix it with water. It's just colloidal oatmeal. It's for soothing the skin. It's something that you keep on hand in case you're doing a facial and somebody has an allergic reaction. So I took that home, but I thought I might also take these things home to try. So this is the Bioelements Sensitive Skin Cleanser. It's like an oil cleanser. You just put it on the face, leave it for a couple minutes, and then add water, and it kind of foams up. So I thought I might switch to this cleanser for right now, and then I think I'll take the gel therapy home. This is just their hydrating mask. It's like a gel mask, and you can mix that with the emergency soothing powder to make like a hydrating calming mask. So I think I'm gonna take those things home to try. I'm hoping I might get into my doctor this week since I'm not that busy, and I'm starting to like panic about this whole skin situation. So anyways, that's an update on that. I'm gonna have a quick bite to eat for breakfast, and then I'm gonna show you guys some new things that I got for the salon. My skin looks so much better when I put some nice lighting on it. So I have a little Maritime beauty order I thought I would share with you guys. It was a really good, they haven't done a sale in a really long time because of like COVID and everything, and like being closed and then open again, and I don't know, whatever reasons. They hadn't been doing sales. So in August, they finally put out a sale flyer again, and it was a really good sale for me. All of my like usual items were on, so I did a little bit of a restock, and I probably will pick up like one more pot of gel before the sale is done. And I do need shampoo and conditioner. I don't know how long this vlog is going to go on for, so maybe you'll see that in a couple of days, but in the same vlog. But for now, this is what I got. So I got a big jug of the C&D Awfully Fast. This is the Shellac Remover. This is what you use when you wrap the nails in foil. I also use this just as my regular polish remover. I find it works really well, particularly on like the Vinylux polishes that can be hard to remove. Because that's what I use in general on my pedicure clients. This is the one that I like to have on hand, and I don't see the sense in like buying a polish remover and this and Scrub Fresh and acetone, and like there's just so many things. So if I can use this as my gel polish remover as well as my nail polish remover, then obviously that's great. So I got a nice big jug of that, and then I also got a big jug of the Scrub Fresh. So this is the nail cleanser or the prep step before you go in and apply like gel products. So this is their like nail surface cleanser. So I always keep this on hand. I know a lot of people like mix their own with like acetone and alcohol. I've just always used this and I've always had good luck with it. And I can usually pick up a big jug like this when it goes on sale, and it lasts me for quite a long while, so I don't mind that. And then, so like all the C&D stuff was on sale, obviously. So I got those 2 jugs, and then I got a backup bottle of my Bond. I do have an almost full bottle of this. But I do like having one backup. I don't keep numerous backups of these anymore because they do expire, and I went through a whole like thing with that a couple of years ago. So I do like to keep one on hand though, because it is really watery, and if you knock it over, you have none left. So got a thing of the Bond, and then I got a big jar of the clear gel. This is the gel that I use on like 99% of my clients. I have a handful of people that I use the artistic gel on. But the Breeza gel is my main line. So the big jars like this only go on usually once or twice a year. So I do have like, I don't know, maybe a half a jar on the go right now. So this will be my backup, and I will pick up one more before the end of the month. So I'll scoot in sometime this week and pick up another jar of this just to have on hand, because it certainly won't go to waste. I go through about one of these a month. And they're regularly like $75 and they're on for like $50. So it's a great sale. And then the last thing I picked up was the Verb Forming Fiber. I picked this up for a client. She uses this in her hair. Verb is the line that I've been really loving for my own hair care. It's cruelty-free, it's very affordable, it's very like natural, like plant-based ingredients. And it's gluten-free, and she has a gluten allergy, so she can't use any hair products that have gluten in them. So I picked this up for her, so she'll be in today to pick that up. And then I ordered a new EFile. I have the TurboFile 2, which is just a very basic EFile, and I usually like to keep like an extra one on hand. And one of my clients was like, I'm really looking for one of these files to like do my dog's nails. And I was like, I'll just sell you this backup one that I have, and I'll go pick up a new one. No big deal. Just sold it to her for what I would buy it for. And then I went in to pick up another one, and they're like, oh, we don't make that anymore. And I was like, oh, great. So I had to like special order a new EFile, which was like double the price. But it's the same company. It's Medicool's, so this is their Power 520 electric filing system. It's significantly heftier than the one that I'm used to using. So I was sort of thinking, hey, this is probably like a major upgrade on the one that I was using before. So I thought we would open this up together. So this is what it looks like. The one that I have, I mean, you guys have seen it in videos, but it's like similar colors, but it looks very different from that. So I had to special order this in, and they were like, oh, they'll deliver it right to your salon. I was like, oh, service, amazing. So I ordered this through Cosmoprof. So it has like, you know, the little instructions, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. So I'll make sure that I fill that out and send that in, because I don't normally do that. And then there's some extra like pieces. I don't know what any of these things are, but I feel like my friend Cheyenne will know. And they always send you like some arbor bands and a couple of little bits there. I just use this bit with the arbor bands on it. That's really all I use. Okay, so we've got our power cord, and then this is the actual, I think this might be the one my friend Nancy has. It seems to me. Nancy, if you're watching, let us know in the comments. Is this the one that you have? yeah, so it's got like an on and off. Oh no, I see now. Hold on. Okay, so the dial is your on and off. You can hear it clicking. And then this changes the direction. I was like, oh, I hope you can change directions, because I like to be able to do that, particularly when I'm doing my own nails, because like I need it to spin a certain way when I'm doing this hand, but then when I go over to do this hand, it needs to go the other way. Is this interesting? Probably not. Okay, and then this is the hand piece, which is like metal and actually like really sturdy. The one on the TurboFile 2 that I'm used to using is like it's plastic and it feels like a little bit flimsy. So this is the new EFile, and there's like a little spot where you can just slide it in, which is really nice, because the other one had like a little cradle and it would catch all the dust. So I think this will be nice. I'm excited. So this is my new EFile. I don't know if this is interesting for anybody but the nail people, but I feel like the nail people will be happy for me. So just a little upgrade in equipment for today. So I'm going to get set up for the day, and I don't know when I'm going to pick this vlog up again, but I will. I just got off the phone with my doctor's office. They're going to squeeze me in on Friday. I'm so relieved. Ugh. So keep you guys posted on this whole situation. I don't know what's going on, but I'm glad I'm going to get in to see my doctor. She is a freaking angel. I'm so lucky. So I'm glad it's a short week this week, not feeling like myself. I don't know what it is. I'm so vain. Like when I look weird, I'm just like, no, I can't, people. Sorry. So I just thought I would update you guys on my skin. So the last time I vlogged, it was Tuesday. It's now Thursday. So this is what my skin is looking like now. So I've had the last couple of days off, thank God. So I got home from work on Tuesday. I showed you guys my skin in the clips from Tuesday when I started this vlog. And by the time I got home, it was so like hot and inflamed and bumpy and crazy. Anyway, so I took my makeup off and I've just been basically hibernating ever since. I look like this. I haven't even brushed my hair. It's fine. I'm home. I have my little beagle boy keeping me company. Hello. I woke up. Why are you talking about me? Is this about me? It's not about you. So I go see my doctor tomorrow. I cannot for the life of me figure out like what did I touch? What did I get into that caused this? I have no idea. I haven't been using any new products. Everything that I'm using, I've been using for quite a while, and like nothing has changed. I haven't eaten anything weird. I just don't know. So I just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an update. So I've spent the last like couple of days in like a Benadryl coma, basically. So when I take a Benadryl, the inflammation does go down quite a bit and it's not itchy, but then all I can do is sleep because it makes me so drowsy. So that's what's going on with that. So I was hoping to like film this vlog all week and post something on Friday, but I don't think it's going to happen that way. So I don't know when this vlog will go up, but I figured since I brought it up at the beginning of this video that I would use this vlog to just kind of keep you guys updated on what's going on with my face. It's certainly better than it was. Maybe I'll insert some photos. I've been taking photos over the last couple of days just in case it looks different. By the time I see my doctor, I want to be able to show her what in the heck is going on because I just don't know. So I'm going to see her tomorrow after work. I only work till noon tomorrow, and then I'm going to go see her, and hopefully, I don't know if she can give me like cortisone or something to like bring it down because I just don't know. It's so uncomfortable. My husband's like, why can't we go to the gym? I'm like, because I look like a gremlin. So that's the update for now. Nothing else to report. I've been basically just like lounging around with my dog for a couple of days. So I'm going to go have a shower, wash my hair, and I'll update you guys tomorrow after I see my doctor about what is happening. Okay, so I've left the doctor's office. My face is a lot better today, but it's still not right, and my lips are still not right. So I went to the doctor, I gave her the whole rundown on what's been going on for the last like several weeks, and she thinks I have something called perioral dermatitis,
which is basically a rash that starts around your mouth and spreads to the rest of your face. And she said there's like a lot of different causes, but she said it could have been triggered by anything like a sunburn perhaps. And that is like kind of when this all started, when I got this sunburn on my lips, and then it just like escalated. So that's what's going on. So I'm on my way to the pharmacy to get some medications. She said it'll probably take a couple of weeks to clear up, which is a bummer. But she said in a few days I probably will be able to put makeup on again, so thank God. So I'm super relieved. I was so nervous that I was gonna go to the doctor and she was gonna be like, no. My doctor is an actual angel from heaven. I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful that she got me in. So on the bright side, I have a hopeful solution and I should be feeling better soon. The sad part is my BoxyCharm came yesterday, which is already late. And it looks like I'm not gonna have my August BoxyCharm video up until August. So apologies in advance for that. But I think I'll wrap this vlog up here. It's been a little bit of a mess, a little bit of a dog's breakfast. Appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. We have solved the mystery of my face. So if you guys like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Leave me some comments down below about your weird skin things to make me feel better. That would be so great. And I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.